Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto E6s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Display and click on Advanced to reach wallpaper. Now select the source that you want to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from live wallpapers, something from your own photos, or one from a wallpapers album. Let me choose this third option. Okay, actually there's just one picture added. Let me pick my photos. We don't have it, so let's grab a picture quickly. For example, this one. And now let's go back to wallpaper album. So let's open wallpaper, choose wallpapers, select my photos, and apply the picture that you want to have as your lock screen. Obviously you can manage it however you like, and then just click on set wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me choose both. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.